but overall it's beautiful. I'm loving it.
Body's just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can lose when I'm with you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Shelly, and to all my oldies but goodies, it's always a pleasure having you. So this is my first video for 2025, and I want to wish you guys a happy new year, all the best in your dreams and your aspirations, and I pray that they turn into a reality. Thank you guys again for the continued support. I do appreciate each and every one of you for over the years watching my videos, sharing my videos, interacting with me on these videos. I do appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks again, and a happy new year. So with that out the way, in today's video I'll be doing a bag review for you, and the company I'm working with is Coeebags. I've worked with them before. I love the company. I love the quality of their bags. It is amazing. I can't wait to share with you the bag they have sent to me to share with you guys today. So with that out the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and please share my content with your family and friends, and watch the old ones just to familiarize yourself with what my channel is about. Thank you again for watching. Let's get right into the video. So the bag I will be reviewing for you today is the Chanel Duvel Tote, and it's a beautiful bag. I am working with Coeebags, and they also sent me a discount coupon code, and I will leave that in the description bar below. This is the box that the bag came in. It came well packaged. I also love the box. It's a beautiful box. It came with the magnetic strip. Love that. Came with all the bells and whistle. It came with a shopping bag, which I love. Also came with the ribbon and the flower on the front. The receipt. So that is it for the packaging. Also came with a dust bag with Chanel on the front. The dust bag is gorgeous, pretty sturdy. Loving the quality on the dust bag. That is pretty impressive. And this is the bag, you guys. I love it. The quality is amazing. Love, love, love. I did a little bit of unboxing, but I still have a little bit to go. So let me take this off, and then we can dive right into all the details of this bag. But it is beautiful. I am loving it. Love how it was packaged. Everything was chef's kiss. Love, 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 love. So this is the beauty, you guys, and I love it. Loving the khaki color. It is beautiful. Let me give you guys a close-up. Pay keen attention to the stitching. It is so neatly done. Love it. So this style do come in different variation. My bag is in the size small. They do come in medium, large, and extra large, I believe. But this size is perfect for me. Again, I'm loving the khaki color and loving the fabric material. Beautiful. So on the front, we have the big Chanel logo along with the CC. It says 31 Rue Cambon, Paris, and that is the address of her first apartment and also the address of her first boutique. It also came with shoulder straps, which I love. Loving this champagne gold detailing. Also loving the leather that is intertwining with the gold strap. So beautiful. extra padding on the strap. So the shoulder strap, they are extendable, but they're not detachable, and I kind of like love that. Loving also the gourmet on the bag, and that is where the strap runs through, and it's also magnetic, so you're able to adjust the straps as needed. I'm going to show you guys that. So these are magnetic, so you're able to pull it in if it is you would like to take the bag without showing the straps. So let me do that quickly. And there you have it. The extendable straps are all gone. So now you're just having it with the short straps. And that is super cool. So that is it. There is no exterior pockets on this bag. Also, there is no feet on the bag. Pretty simple but gorgeous. Perfect for the winter. I will also be rocking this in the spring and summer, but this is beautiful. So that is it for the outside of the bag. Let me go ahead and show you guys on the inside. So on the inside, there is just a big bucket space, very spacious bag. But before I go to the inside, let me just show you this little pouch that came with it. And this pouch is detachable. Love it. I could use this for my makeup as well, but it is beautiful. Also loving the cloth material. So on the inside, there is a big zipper pocket, and I love that. It also says Chanel made in Italy, if you guys can see the logo right there. Also on the gold zipper, it came with the double CC, which is beautiful. What's in on here? Okay, so this is just a booklet, and it also came with the tag. So that's what's on the inside of the huge pocket. Also came with 2 extra pockets on the inside. This side you could use for your cell phone or your purse, seeing that we only have an empty space in the middle. There is no compartment on the inside of the bag. I'm also seeing an extra strap on the inside of the bag, so you can use this to attach your keys, or we could even attach the little pouch that came with it. There we go. So that is super cool. Oh my goodness, I love it. Love, love, love. The inside is also cloth, you guys. It's like this oatmeal material. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I do love this bag. I also would recommend it. But overall, it's beautiful. I'm loving it. Thank you so much, Coeebags, for sending me this beautiful piece. I love it. I know I'm going to enjoy this bag because it is a bag that I've been eyeing for a while. So yeah, this brings me to the end of the review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, I will leave the discount coupon code in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I will also leave their website and their social media handle. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.